Hello everyone, this is Hassan Abdel Salam from GetInform, your instructor for 3ds Max 2018 Essentials. Today we will talk about making roof tiles using editable poly. So as a start, we will start by creating something like tube. We will try to make it in front viewport. First make the tube and with the proper thickness and proper length. Make the height, for example, maybe 0.4 and make radius 1 like this. Or maybe something like this will be sufficient. I will use slice 90 and slice 2 minus 90, or maybe minus 80. I'll tell you why. Okay. Maybe I will increase segments here and convert to editable poly. Use polygon sub-object to select these polygons. Watch, we have 10 polygons here, these, and extrude. I will extrude it to maybe 0.09. Okay. Switch to vertex sub-object, snap 2.5 and use axis constraint in order to adjust these lines, maybe like this. Okay, I will use copy. Should we make it instance? Copy 15 copies. Let's switch to clay mode. I am comfortable with, and use these ones to make like this, maybe 10. Okay, so this is the first step, and after this I will try to rotate this for switch to angle snap for about 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees is okay, and maybe we will increase these copies. We'll add some more copies here. Maybe 8, something like this. Okay, and usually there will be some little bit of overlap between each brick, so I will use rotation and local mode so that and I will rotate a little bit. Everyone rotates by itself. Okay, give me this result. Yes, this is nice. Okay, I guess this is clear now. Yes. Okay, and this is the first step. Second step, I will save as roof tiles. Okay, I want these objects to be one object. Maybe before, maybe it's okay. Collapse, utilities, collapse, and collapse selected. Make sure that it will be collapsed to mesh. Okay, editable mesh. I want it to be editable poly. Okay, after this I will add symmetry modifier. Okay, symmetry modifier is very helpful in these cases. The difference between symmetry and mirror is that symmetry can weld each other. I will go to sub-object, which is the mirror in symmetry, and rotation I will adjust it to 45 degrees. I will watch here down. Okay, .45. Okay, in order to give me this nice 90 degrees, and I will move a little bit in order for this shape to continue. This could not happen with the mirror. Okay, it's welding itself, and we have our half of the house or of the roof. I will go above this symmetry. I will add another symmetry and go inside the mirror. Move it like this. Maybe I flip. Maybe I rotate 45 degrees again. And move. Until I get my result. So that you have to start with a large number in order to get your design. Okay, not that much. Maybe like this is enough. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you.